Hello, wonderful people! Here we are, chapter 37. We're taking magnetism from 36, and now we're going to do something with it. This is called electromagnetic induction. Do you remember the word induction from when we talked about inducing charges to move around? When we had those metal spheres that we wouldn't touch, but we could move charge from one metal sphere to another, and that was all talking about induction. It's the same word, same idea. We're going to use these, we're inducing currents to flow. Instead of now using another current, we're going to use magnetism. And it goes both ways. We use a current to induce a magnet, we use a magnet to induce a current, and suddenly we can make a motor. So that's an electricity that we can distribute to everywhere and all across the world. That was what made modern living. Before that, people lived like farmers. After we had electricity, now we have modern living. So, yeah, this is how we get that electricity here, there, and everywhere. How do you make electricity? That's what this is going to tell us about. So, I am the white, pink, and yellow text reader. This is the introduction to chapter 37. And I like how the word introduction has the word induction in it. Introduction to induction. All right. The discovery that an electric current in a wire produced magnetism was a turning point in physics and the whole world, and the technology that followed. The question arose as to whether magnetism could produce electric current in a wire. In 1831, two physicists, Michael Faraday in England and Joseph Henry in the United States, both of whom were world famous, independently discovered that the answer is yes. Yes. Can magnetism produce an electric current in a wire? Yes. And it goes the other way. An electric current in a wire produces magnetism. Until their discovery, the only current producing devices were voltaic cells, which produce small currents by dissolving expensive metals in acids. So you had to keep putting more acids in there. These were the forerunners of our present-day batteries. The discovery of Faraday and Henry provided a major alternative to these crude devices. Batteries can't produce a whole lot of power or a whole lot of current. Their discovery was to change the world by making electricity so commonplace that it would power industries by day and light up cities by night. The end. Thank you. Thank you.